So here's how you can write an attractive description for your Fiverr profile. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss on any of the steps. The first thing you're going to do is open the browser where you have your Fiverr account. Head into the search box and type in Fiverr. Now open the Fiverr website, which will appear at the top. Here you can see that we are at our dashboard right now, and first we have to click on our profile. Now we're going to scroll down till we reach our description and write the best description for your profile. I've gathered these 6 to 7 points to include in your profile description. First, you're going to start with a hello and explain what you do along with your experience. For example, I'm typing that I am a video editor with this experience. Also, I'm explaining the software I'm familiar with. In this way, you can also explain a little bit more about the work you do. Then you're going to add the services that you provide on Fiverr along with the fields that you're working in. Here you can talk about the subcategories of the service you're providing, especially those in which you are a master. The next thing you're going to do is explain any qualities other than your experience. For example, if you're a good time manager, you can add it, like I'm doing. So the last thing you're going to do is end your description with an exciting line. You can also copy this line which I'm writing, which says, jump into my DM and ask for any service you want so we can make a masterpiece out of it. And now just click on save and boom. You've now written the best profile description that you can ever have.